Terra is an artisan clay paint with no rules. It's currently available in 18 striking colors. Clean your project well with Terra Clean and then let your creativity run wild. When you're ready to lock in your artwork, you can seal it with Terra Wax or Terra Seal. Let's make over a project with Terra Paint. As always, clean first with Terra Clean, rinse well, and get ready for paint. If your project would normally require Boss or Slick Stick, apply either product before you begin. Since this paint is based on layering, apply your first coat down and wait 2 to 24 hours before you apply the second coat. You can create texture by applying thicker or thinner coats and using tools such as your spatula or your fingers. I like to use a spray misting bottle filled with water to help keep my paint movable. Terra paint can be reactivated when you spray it with water. We recommend a natural bristle brush, but you may also use spatula, brushes, or other tools. I personally love some finger painting. You should store your Terra Clay paint at the temperature between 50 and 77 degrees Fahrenheit. Terra Clay paint is fast drying. Drying times are at 77 degrees Fahrenheit and 50% relative humidity. Cool temperatures, high humidity, thickness, and poor ventilation could extend your dry time. When you're ready to lock in your artwork, you can seal it with Terra Wax or Terra Seal. Let's learn a little bit about how to use Terra Wax. Terra Wax is an oil-based product. You should apply this with a natural bristle brush. My favorite brush to use to apply Terra Wax is the La Petite. Swirl your La Petite into the hard wax container, then apply the wax to the top or the sides of your piece. I like to work in small sections, feeling along the way if it's tacky. If I can feel a tacky spot, that means my wax has been applied. Working in small sections in circular motion ensures that you've applied the wax to the entire piece. Once you've applied the wax to that section, move along. You do not want to overwork your Terra Wax. Terra Wax must be applied with a clean brush. Completely cover your entire artwork with Terra Wax. Once you're finished, you're going to wait approximately 1 hour and then buff back to a low sheen. Since Terra Clay paint is so porous, it's nice to use small circles using your arm muscles to ensure that you've applied the product well to the entire piece. After I finished applying my Terra Wax, I clean my brushes with Clean as a Whistle. This will make sure that your brushes are clean for the next use. After approximately 2 hours, come back in with a buffing pad. This is going to allow you to buff that hard wax to a beautiful sheen. You can come back after 24 hours and buff your piece again. Look at that beautiful shine. This wax dries in approximately 24 hours and cures in 30 days. After you've applied your wax, you can apply any one of the gilding wax colors to accent your piece. Let's talk about some helpful hints. If applying a Dixie Belle transfer, you need to apply the Terra Seal before you apply your transfer. Please make sure to wait 24 hours before applying your Terra Wax to your project. Dry time will vary. To sand back or distress your piece, you can do this by using sandpaper or a damp cloth. I hope you enjoyed my tutorial today all about Terra Clay paint. I'm excited to try all of the colors. What will you create with your Terra?